Can you guys guess the sound effect? Beach Edition. First sound effect. I'll give you guys 5 seconds to guess. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, the sound effect was these coins right here. It's kind of a weird sound, but second sound. I'll give you guys 5 seconds to guess. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The sound effect is this 4-leaf clover right here. Third and final sound effect. I'll give you guys 5 seconds to guess. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The sound effect is this palm tree right here. And I want to know how many guesses you guys got right, so leave your number down in the comments. And I just want to say thank you guys so much for 200 subs, and I'll see you in the next one.